Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the headphones have charge and your phone's Bluetooth is ready. Once done, find the small power button on the right ear cup. It also handles pairing. Press and hold power for about 2 seconds to wake the unit. You'll hear a voice prompt saying, "Power on." Make sure no other Bluetooth source is actively connected because the Xm4 will try to reconnect to the last paired device. This prevents accidental pairing, with nearby devices and speeds the next step. Once the headphones are on, press and hold the same power button longer, about 7 seconds, until the LED flashes blue and amber and you hear Bluetooth pairing. Now switch to your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and look for WH1000 Xm4. Tap to pair. If prompted for a PIN, use 0000. After pairing, the headphones will auto-connect and may prompt you to enable features like Fast Pair, Google Assistant, or Sony Headphones Connect. Make sure firmware updates are allowed in the app for best performance. With connection established, play audio to confirm output and microphone function. Adjust volume and ANC via the app or touch controls. If you need higher quality audio, enable the preferred codec in developer Bluetooth options or the Sony app. If the headphones won't connect, power off, then press and hold power and the noise cancel button together for about 7 seconds to reset. If issues persist, reboot your phone, remove the Xm4 from Bluetooth paired devices, and pair again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.